Okay.
I didn't know they were gonna keep that. Yeah. There's a drinking fountain in the middle of nowhere.
Does it work?
And it doesn't work. Or else the gingerbread man can eat it.
Our kids are funny.
This is gonna be
My goodness, that temple is so pretty.
There's a number 8. Wait, why is there a number 8?
That's it.
Where's Linden?
Linden?
Yeah.
It's near American Fork.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, can we go to baptisms?
Yeah, sure.
Because I really want to do it because the baptistry, it looks like a Disney teacup.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you should
No,
saw
that's
it.
fine.
It's like pink with like teal
Go
on
this
it.
way. On this way. I want to see the temple because we haven't been able to see it this whole time.
Absolutely.
This was my mission.
You were like right here.
Just right here. Yep.
Okay, so tell us,
Walk
Aubrey.
around, walk
Tell us some
around.
fun facts.
Fun facts.
Fine straight.
So,
Are we
this
turning to Jesus Christ
is
to
not-
fine straight?
so the assembly hall is not actually built with stones.
Okay.
It's like mushed up, basically kind of like a cement type thing.
Oh.
And it just makes it look like stones, but they're not actually made of stones.
Oh, interesting.
Nobody knows why there's a Star of David up there.
I know why.
Nobody knows why there's a
Sounds like there's music in here right now. What's today?
I don't know.
Oh, they're probably practicing for the conference.
What's that? I want to do this. I want to be one of the violinists.
You did. You did.
Can I sit in here? Here, I want to push.
She
I
said
want.
she has 7 kids.
Oh, yeah?
And she's like, I look at you and I'm like, wow, that's so many. And she asked how old the oldest was, and I said 13. She's like, that's what mine was too.
Oh.
And she's like, I don't know how you do it. And I'm like, but you did. You did it already. She's like, yes, hang in there. You'll do it too.
Wait.
Here's the-
Dad, push me.
Oh, look at this.
Whoa.
I think I might want to get married. I'm definitely gonna get married.
Where are you going, Journey? Nowhere?
I'm gonna be one of the violinists in the choir.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You got to keep practicing. You can do it.
Look at this. It's like
How long can I be in the tabernacle choir?
Is it 10 years?
So I'll wait until she's in the violin in the orchestra. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Rocky, are you fighting? Rocky, are you a fighter?
Yeah.
Say, Rocky the fighter.
Whoa.
I'll stand right here
Mhm.
where I'm standing and get married. Not get married and do my wedding photos. And then I'll get married in this temple.
Okay, so that's the plan?
Yeah.
Okay.
All she needs is a boy. And a few more years.
Yeah.
Oh, did she flip over Journey?
Yeah.
I dreamt of this.
Oh, bringing your family back here?
20 years ago.
Oh. Wait, what?
It looks a little different, but
What were you doing 20 years ago?
almost 20, 17 years ago.
Oh.
2009.
Oh.
I remember dreaming of this, seeing all the families and being like, someday I'll bring my cute little family here.
If I could go back and propose to you again.
You would not do it here. This is where you wanted to do
This
it.
is exactly where I wanted to do it.
You wanted to propose to me at my mission.
I wanted to propose to you at your mission because of how special it was. And
And
why
like-
was that a bad idea?
Because you'd make all of the other sister missionaries feel really bad.
Yeah, but you were home. So it didn't matter. I wasn't worried about them. I was worried about you. Apparently, she doesn't like making other people jealous and shrunky.
Hey,
I love you.
I love you.
This is Aubrey's formal application.
This is my application
To
to
be-
give tours of the Temple Square Visitor Center. There's 11,623 pipes in the tabernacle.
Whoa, look at that.
Yep.
She knows her stuff.
I
What
do.
else? Tell us something else.
It took 40 years to build the temple.
Wow.
Brigham
look, did you see?
Young had 56 wives and 57 children.
Okay, smile pretty now. Aw, look how pretty she is. She
got a baby.
belongs here. And she's got a baby
I don't
and
even
a
have-
husband.
I don't even have Botox in right now. It's still natural.
But this is no Botox. So pretty. And no makeup either.
I know.
Why aren't you wearing makeup?
I don't know. I
Your
just
face
think
is just
that's
so pretty.
I have a good dermatologist.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Cope.